How to remove a Gmail account if you have more than one Gmail account added in your phone. Let's begin the video. Once you open the Gmail app in your phone, you need to click Profile Image in the top right of the screen. You can see up to Gmail accounts in my phone. To log out of the Gmail account, you need to click this tab, Manage Accounts on this device. And in this Accounts and Sync screen, we need to click the Google tab. In this Google account screen, you will need to click the Gmail account that you want to log out. And in this screen, you need to click Remove Account, which will log out of the Gmail account in the phone. And again, confirm logging out of the phone by clicking the Remove button. And done, you can see there is only one Gmail account now in the phone. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.